Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making roulade, strawberry roulade. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for standard oven for at least 15 minutes before baking. Let's make custard. In a medium pan, mix cornstarch and sugar and stir until there are no lumps. Add milk and make a paste. Then add the rest of the milk. Please check the description box below for a list of ingredients and more information. Separate eggs into yolks and whites. We need to add the yolks in the custard. Once you add the egg yolks into the pan, you mix. Add vanilla essence and mix again. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you choose to stay. Take the pan to the stove on medium heat. Cook the custard until it thickens, stirring regularly. Once the custard starts simmering, remove it from the heat, stir, then add butter. I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. That will grow the family. Place the custard in a non-heat sensitive bowl. Just mix a little bit, then touch close the custard with a clean wrap. Now we're making the shell or the dough. In a food processor, grind hazelnuts, in a separate bowl, beat egg whites on high speed. When they start to foam, add a pinch of salt or cream of tartar, then gradually add custard sugar or icing sugar. Beat until it is shiny and thick. When you overturn the bowl, the contents will not spill when it's ready, or it will form a beak of a bird. Gradually sift in cornstarch and gently fold with a spatula or a spoon. Spread the meringue in a baking pan lined with parchment paper and level it. Sprinkle the nuts on the meringue and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. The nuts are optional. You can do this without nuts. Meanwhile, wash and cut the green parts from the fresh strawberries and place some in a pan. Cook on medium to low heat. Add fresh lemon juice Simmer until the liquid thickens or it becomes syrup. Then cool it entirely. Once the meringue is baked, when you press it, it should bounce back. Now cover it with a clean kitchen cloth, then put a cutting board on top of it and overturn the baking pan. Remove the baking pan and the parchment paper. Now you're carefully removing the parchment paper because it is still hot and sticky. Cover the meringue with cling wrap and leave the meringue to cool entirely at room temperature first. The custard, we go back to the custard, add cream to the custard and blend it until smooth. The cream I have used is double cream or heavy cream. You can adjust the cream if it is necessary. Remove the cling wrap from the meringue once it is cool and spread the custard just enough to level it. Please do not put too much custard, it will leak. Add strawberries or whichever fruit of choice. Roll close the meringue. These strawberries are the ones that were not cooked. Tuck in the kitchen towel and keep it on the meringue, then chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut the ends for presentation. I would like you to please press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value in this video. Would you try this recipe? Please let me know. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.